Hello friends, my name is Godswill. Today I'll be showing you how to make deposit and withdrawal into your binary account. Without wasting much of your time, let me go straight and show you how to do this. So the very first thing you need to do once you log in into this account, into your binary account, so what you need to do is you make sure, for me, what I use that work well or best for me is Litecoin, which is LTC, and the charges is very very minimal, unlike the Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the other means which you can use in making payment on this platform. So Litecoin is the best for me in terms of making payments and also making withdrawals from binary.com. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is once you log into your account, you come here. Okay, so you see this small arrow here, there is click on it. So once you click on it, you can see here I have so many accounts that I've opened. So if you have watched my previous video, you see the process of on how to create all this account. I did a walkthrough. I walked you through on how you can create this all this account. So what you need to do, look out for the Litecoin. So you can see this is Litecoin. So there are other ones, USD, BTC, Ethereum. This is USDT, USDC. So but just go for select the very first one, which is Litecoin. Okay. So once you select Litecoin, all right. So you would notice that over here you have your Litecoin. Okay. Now after that, the next thing you need to do is you click here, this place you have this tray bar, click on it. Once you click on it, look out for cashier. This, okay, click on cashier. Okay, so once you click on cashier, scroll down, you will see this place where it says deposit cryptocurrency. Okay, so you click on deposits. If you want to make withdrawal, you just click on withdrawal. So I want to walk you through the process of deposit first. You click on deposit. Okay, so once you click on deposits, you need to select Litecoin. Okay, LTC. So you select it. Once you do that, okay, after you select it, you click on continue. Okay, so once you click on continue, the next page will load up for you. Once the next page load up, it will give you an address where you can send money to. Okay, so you can either scan the barcode and send money, or you copy the address. Okay, or you copy this address and send money to this address by clicking on this button. So once you do that, once you send money here, all you need to do is just exercise patience, and then the money will be credited into this account. So once the money come here, like you can see, I did one not quite long. Okay, so I bought 5.2 Litecoin. So this 5.2 Litecoin, I need to transfer it into the trading account. So the next thing now you'll be asking, how can you transfer it into the trading account? So for you to have it transferred into the trading account, you need to come back to this place where I have this tray bar. Okay, so here, okay, you click on it. Once you click on it, the next thing you need to do is here, this particular arrow here. Okay, this trade, this one here. Okay, you click on that small arrow. So once you do that, there will be a drop down. Once you see this drop down, click on MT5. Okay, so click on MT5. Once you click on MT5, it will load. So from this place, you can be able to do your transfer into your MT5 account. In my previous video, I've also shown you how you can create this MT5 account. If you have not watched that video and you don't know how to create it, please, I want you to go back and watch that video. I'll drop the link for you so you can watch it. Okay, so this here, I will select the account where I want to transfer. I have a couple of accounts. So this one, you can see this one has some money which I'm using to trade. Is a real account. This is not a demo account. Okay, this is a real account. So all I need to do is I come here, select. Okay, so I want to transfer money to this one. Okay, so all I need to do is select it. So you can see there is no money in here. All right, no money. So this is a real account. So all I need to do is, now that I'm here, I will scroll down, make sure that it's showing you manage fund. Okay, this, make sure it's showing you this. So once you come here, you can scroll down. So also, always take note, there is always this 2% charge whenever you're doing transfer, either you're sending into your MT5 or you're taking it out of your MT5. There's usually this 2% transfer fee that you would always pay. So what we need to do now, I want to transfer funds. So this is this particular one. Okay, this is where we'll click on transfer funds to MT5. So we are transferring funds to MT5. What we need to do is just click on MT5. Sorry, before we click on the transfer to MT5, we need to impute the amount we are transferring. Okay, so we need to impute the amount you're transferring. So here under amounts, this place. Okay, so you can always say, so I want to send everything I have here. I have 5.271. Okay, let me see if I can copy that. I want to send everything that I have here. 5.271. Oh, okay, so it's actually here, Seth. I don't need to scroll up. So I want to transfer everything that I have here. Okay, so I want to transfer 5.27271. 5 points. Okay, I can actually copy this. Yes, so just copy this. Okay, then copy, come here and paste instead of typing, so I don't type wrongly. Come here and paste. Okay, so this is everything. All I need to do is just to click on transfer. Okay, then I click on transfer, so the whole money will be moved. Okay, so when you can see here, this is the equivalent of that amount I just transferred, $526. So once the money gets into this place, if you go to your MT5 to check, you would see that the money is there. So let me just go to my MT5 and check. 1 minute. So I just practically logged into my MT5 just to check. So you can see the money is here in my MT5. So the same thing is applicable if I want to make withdrawal. I want to withdraw. Let's say maybe I've made some profits and I want to withdraw. I don't need to stress myself. Still under this place, under this managed fund. Okay. So here now, instead of this transfer into MT5, instead of this transfer into MT5 section, that is this whole section. Okay, all I need to do is I go to the lower section which says withdraw. Okay, so withdraw from MT5. So the first thing you need to do before you withdraw to your wallet, you need to move the money out from your MT5 to your normal binary account. So from there you can make your withdrawal. Okay, so that is just the easiest process. Okay, so once you have withdrawn it back, all you need to do is you still come back to this place into cashier here. Okay, you come back here. That is once you've withdrawn the money back to your binary account, you come to you click on cashier, which is this one. Okay, you click on cashier. So at cashier, at this point now you'll be clicking on withdrawal, because this is, we are dealing with cryptocurrency. Okay, yeah, we are dealing with cryptocurrency. All right, so you'll be clicking on sorry, not here. You click on, yes, here, excuse me. So this section, this is where you'll be clicking on. You'll be clicking on this section. Okay, you'll be clicking on this section. So once you get here, just click on withdraw. All right, so once you click on withdraw, select Litecoin. Okay, then click continue. All right, so once you get to this point, it will, okay, now it's asking me to please make deposits, dash deposits. So because there's no money here, that is why it's giving me this option of, make deposit. There's no money here at all. Remember, I've moved everything to my trading account. So once you've withdrawn from your trading account, I said that earlier, you would be able to see the option where you can put your address, then you place your withdrawal. In less than 24 hours, the money will be credited into your normal account, your normal crypto account, into your exchange account or your normal wallet. Okay, so I think this would really help you to make withdrawals and also make deposits into your binary MT5 account using binary.com. Please leave me with a positive review. Tell me what you think about this video, where you think we can make necessary corrections and improvements. I really appreciate that. And also tell me what you like most about this particular video. Thank you very much.